Okay, so let's move on to our learning objectives for today. So these are our targets for our lesson. So first one, of course, so we're going to identify the different types of context clues. And afterwards, we're going to have some exercises. So in order for us to practice using context clues and determining some unfamiliar words or unfamiliar vocabularies. Okay?
We will be having a featuring. So the video was all about the law of Ubuntu. It is a South African ideology wherein, according to the video, it means I am because we are. So in the featuring, I will be grouping you randomly, and you will be sharing or answering the question that I will be showing to you now. So first one, in the video, what struck you the most? Second, what do you think does the statement "I am because we are" mean? And the third one, cite some events in our daily lives where we practice the law of Ubuntu. So again, when we say law of Ubuntu, it means I am because we are. So I will be discussing with you the statement later on. And now I will be breaking you into groups.